married to this Haitian man right here. You love him so much. Anyways, what I'm here to talk about with you guys today are my two favorite things from Haitian culture. First one is crémesse. It's a drink. It's very sweet and delicious, and our aunt makes it for us, so our house is always stocked with it. And it's really good on ice. That's how he likes it. Second thing is PhebsChris. It's delicious. It's kind of like a coleslaw, but a Haitian style, I would say. That's my description of it. It's spicy, but it's super full of flavor, and that's why I love it so much. It's just there's so many flavors in it, and it's really good eating with like rice and chicken and just any meal, honestly. But he likes to eat it even plain by itself. He eats that up. It's his favorite thing ever, and I learned how to make it so I can make it for my hubby right here.
I really enjoy it. I eat it like that, and then I love crémesse as well too. So two things that she get to experience with our culture, and she enjoys it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or if you want to connect with my wife here, just comment down below, and then we'll be able to chat.